Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. If you've ever dreamt of time traveling through the golden ages of automotive glory, today is your lucky day. We're about to dive into the thrilling world of the most iconic Ferraris ever built, each one a masterpiece of speed, style, and sheer driving pleasure. And before we get our tires screeching, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more high-octane adventures through automotive history. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Number 7. F40, 1987. Let's kick things off with the F40, a beast unleashed in 1987. Imagine tearing down the Autobahn with nothing but raw power at your fingertips. This car redefines freedom. It's not just a car, it's a fiery statement on wheels, with a top speed that can outrun your sense of reason. Number 6. 288 GTO, 1986. Just a year before the F40 came the 288 GTO. This isn't just any sports car, it's a legend that was born to race but raised on the streets. With its V8 turbocharged engine, this Ferrari was a tempting dance between innovation and insanity. And by the way, it looks as fast as it drives. Number 5. 308 GTB, 1975. Rewind a bit more to 1975, and you'll meet the 308 GTB. This beauty was more than just a car. It was a cultural icon. With curves that could make a connoisseur weep, the 308 GTB brought glamour back to the grit of the road. Its allure, undeniable. Enjoying the ride so far? Don't forget to check out our other videos for more epic car tales, and hit that like button if you're a fan of classic Ferraris. Number 4. 365 GTB4, Daytona, 1969. In 1969, the 365 GTB4 Daytona took the world by storm. Named after Ferrari's 1-2-3 finish at the Daytona 24 Hours, this machine isn't just fast, it's a monument of motorsport history. With a V12 engine leading the charge, it promised a thrill that most could only dream of. Number 3. Ferrari 275 GTB, 1964. Jumping back to 1964, the 275 GTB was a stunner that balanced charm and challenge. It was the kind of car that asked for a suave driver with lines as refined as its handling. This wasn't just about speed, it was about making every journey an event. Number 2. 250 GTO, 1962. Now behold the 250 GTO from 1962. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of art. Valued today at unthinkable prices, the 250 GTO won races and hearts with equal prowess, a true testament to Ferrari's unrivaled craftsmanship. Number 1. 250 Testarossa, 1957. And at the pinnacle, the 250 Testarossa, 1957. This car is the definition of classic beauty and beastly performance. Its distinctive red head, cam covers, and a racing pedigree that's as fiery as its engine make it the crown jewel of Ferrari's legacy. What a ride through history, eh? Each of these Ferraris holds a story that speeds well beyond its era. For more tales of automotive brilliance, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep your passion driven and your dreams fast.